siya? You seem gained a lot of weight. Are you pregnant?
No, ma'am, no. No. No, I'm not pregnant. I just eat a lot lately. So many good food here in your house. That's why I gained weight.
You better be not pregnant. You know we have law here, right?
Yes, I know, ma'am. I know. I'm not pregnant.
The police will get you if you're pregnant and not married.
Yes, ma'am.
Titay, let's go to the kitchen. We need to prepare the foods for later.
Yes, madam. Sabi ka nga ng totoo. Buntis ka ba?
Hindi po. Napapadami lang po ako ng kain, kaya talaga lumaki po ako ngayon.
Kasi nga baka nagdadalang tao ka nga. Tsaka, ba't di mo nakikita si Ibrahim, ha? Asan siya? Kinakasa ka na, no? No.
Naghiwalay po kami, kaya hindi ko alam nasa na yun. Huwag po akong tanungin yun, tita. Talagang hindi mo birunong ganyan.
Siguraduhin mo lang. Ay.
Hawakan sa tiyan.